Hello and welcome to Foxtecc. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to manage and disable notifications for Facebook on your iPhone. Notifications can be useful, but it's understandable if you want to disable them or at least modify them to a certain degree. I'll guide you through the steps to customize notifications both within the Facebook app and at the iPhone system level. First, let's start with customizing notifications within the Facebook app itself. Open up the Facebook app on your iPhone. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the tab bar. Tap on the profile icon to access your profile section. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll find the settings tab. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, to quickly find the notification settings, use the search bar at the top of the settings page and type in notification. This will take you directly to the notifications section. Inside this section, you can modify all the settings related to Facebook notifications. You have the option to mute all notifications with a single toggle switch, but it also allows you to be very specific about what types of notifications you receive. For instance, you can decide whether you want to be notified about likes, comments, friend requests, and more. It's all up to you to customize according to your preferences. Additionally, at the bottom of this section, you'll see where notifications get delivered. You have options for push notifications, email, and SMS. Most people focus on push notifications in email, so make sure to adjust these settings as you see fit. Once you have customized the notifications within the Facebook app, we can move on to managing notifications at the iPhone system level. Open the settings app on your iPhone and scroll down until you find the Facebook app section. Keep in mind that you need to have the Facebook app downloaded for this option to appear. In the Facebook app settings, you'll find a notification section. Here you can choose whether you want immediate or scheduled delivery of notifications. This setting is not specific to the type of notification, such as a new like or friend request, but rather how and when you receive them. You can also customize where the notifications appear on your iPhone. Options include the lock screen, notification center, and banners. Additionally, you can manage other settings like app badges, sounds, and notification grouping. This allows you to tailor your notification experience to exactly how you want it. And that's basically it. You now know how to manage and disable Facebook notifications on your iPhone, both within the Facebook app and at the system level. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to disable and manage Facebook notifications on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials.